Welcome to Inside Concept Pro. How to use PTZ control. If you want to control a PTZ camera with your recorder, this is possible in a couple of ways. The first is the familiar method in which you need to select the camera you want to operate in full screen by double left-clicking the live image. Next, you need to navigate to the bottom taskbar and select the PTZ icon. Once in here, you'll see the live screen along with the navigation dashboard and preset setup section on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the navigation icons to operate the dome, and if presets are required, change the numbers on the drop-down, click on the Set option, the Favorites, to add it to the preset list. If you prefer, you can maybe add your presets to either a scan or a tour. To add your favourite presets to a tour, you must first have set them, then select either tour or scan and click on the cogwheel icon underneath the Scan Tour option to set the presets. For this example, we'll set up a tour. You'll see a list of blank options where you can set the preset number you want the dome to go along with the dwell time. Simply add each preset to your list. When you've finished, click OK, which takes you out of the preset setup list altogether. To send it on the tour, simply click the On option. You can completely exit out of the PTZ dashboard altogether by clicking Exit on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Your dome will continue to operate on its tour or scan until you take manual control over it again.